Never worked out before but want a feminine body that matches who you are inside? Girl, you're not alone. Most fitness programs assume you already know gym language, have experience with form, or feel comfortable in traditional fitness spaces. That's exactly why so many of us give up before we even start. The Transfem fitness program was built for complete beginners who've never felt safe or welcome in fitness culture. Every exercise comes with detailed form guides that actually make sense. No confusing jargon, no intimidating moves that make you feel awkward. Just gentle, effective movements designed to create the soft, feminine shape you're dreaming about. We start slow and build your confidence alongside your strength. The program focuses on dysphoria-safe exercises that make you feel good in your body, not worse. You'll learn to move with grace, build feminine curves, and develop posture that radiates confidence. Zero fitness experience required, just your willingness to invest 12 weeks in yourself. Imagine looking in the mirror in 3 months and seeing your waist tapering into hips, your glutes looking lifted and feminine, your whole body moving with newfound grace. That transformation starts with one decision today. Don't let inexperience hold you back from the body you deserve. Get the Transfem fitness program and discover how beginner-friendly your feminine transformation can be.